Model, 69 plate Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC 2900 Sportive 1.6S, S63K low miles no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 63,972. Engine, 1,499 cc DV5 RUCD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, 91 Some kind of issue with a timing belt, chain turns over popping from intake straightforward repair if you know what you're doing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, start-stop. Euro status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,095 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0